I've been sanding on these fenders, trying to get them done. I think I'm gonna be able to get them done today. That'll be a huge step into getting further on this project for sure. This fender was one of the original fenders that's been painted 4 times. It's in pretty much the roughest shape out of all the fenders, but it is getting there. Just got to do some more sanding on it. I did pick up these 2 front fenders used, and I decided to go with them instead of the original ones over here. So these only had a couple little dents in them. I'm gonna have to sand them down the rest of the way before primer, but I'm gonna give those a good sand and those should be ready to go also. Over here is the other fender. This is an aftermarket fender that's been replaced at one point. It only has 1 paint job on it, so it must be somewhat recently, but there's a little bit of work to do on the front edge of this. Someone had drilled these holes for the fender mounts, and you know, as you can see, it's on the outside of the fender and they had it covered with filler, so I got to weld that up and then drill some new holes on the inner side. So that might not get done today, that'll probably be another day. But this fender doesn't really have any dents on it. Like I said, it's been replaced more recently than anything else. So as you can see, just a lot of work, a lot of body work to get this stuff done and to get it where it should be looking good, making a really good mess in the garage, obviously sanding all this filler down. So I'm just gonna keep working on this. Like I said, hopefully I'll get these fenders done, and then I only have maybe the hood and the trunk left to do, and maybe a couple little small pieces. So hopefully in the next month, I'll be able to get all this stuff primed, sanded, and then painted. That will be a huge step to do. The other week I got the engine in, that was a big step. Now if I can get the rest of this stuff painted, it's gonna be a huge step, and I'm almost gonna be able to, you know, look down to the finish line and, you know, see the end product. So it's very good. This stuff's killing me right now. I really don't wanna be doing this. You know, I do this stuff 5 days a week, and so coming here and doing this on the weekend isn't that much fun. So hopefully I get that done sooner than later, but I will check back in on the next project and I'll let you guys know.